Hey there, curious minds. Have you ever wondered how our beautiful planet Earth came to be? Well, buckle up because I'm about to take you on a cosmic journey through time and space. Around 4.5 billion years ago, our solar system was just a swirling cloud of gas and dust. Out of this chaos, gravity began to pull everything together, forming the sun at the center. But the real magic happened in the leftover material around the sun. Tiny particles began to stick together, gradually growing into larger and larger clumps. These clumps, called planetesimals, collided and merged, eventually forming the early Earth. But Earth wasn't always the serene blue planet we know today. In its infancy, Earth was a fiery ball of molten rock, constantly bombarded by asteroids and comets. This period, known as the Hadean Eon, was anything but hospitable, but it was these violent collisions that helped shape our planet's unique features. One of the most significant impacts was with a Mars-sized body named Theia. This colossal collision resulted in the formation of our moon. The debris from this impact coalesced to form the moon, stabilizing Earth's wobble and influencing our tides. As Earth cooled, it developed a solid crust, and oceans began to form from water vapor released by volcanic activity and icy comets. This unique combination of a solid surface, liquid water, and a stable climate set the stage for life to flourish. But what makes Earth different from other planets? For one, Earth is just the right distance from the sun, often called the Goldilocks Zone, where it's neither too hot nor too cold. Plus, Earth has a protective magnetic field and atmosphere that shield us from harmful solar radiation and space debris. So, next time you take a walk outside, remember that our planet is the result of billions of years of cosmic events, each one contributing to the incredible world we call home. Stay curious and keep exploring. Catch you in the next video.